Hi guys, here 48 minus, here 4 square is 16 minus 8 in bracket divide by 4 plus 6. Here 48 minus, here 16 minus 8 is 8 divided by 4 plus 6. Here 48 minus 8 is 40 divided by 4 plus 6. Here 40 divided by 4 is 10 plus 6. Here 10 plus 6 is 16 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 16 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority, this is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also these addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. As per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before this operation here. 48 minus, inside the bracket we have two operations. One is the exponent, other one is subtraction. Here exponent is higher priority than subtraction, so we have to do this exponent before the subtraction. Here 16 minus 8 in bracket divide by 4 plus 6. Here 48 minus, this bracket is 16 minus 8 is 8 divided by 4 plus 6. Here we have subtraction, division and addition. Here division is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. Here 48 minus 8 divided by 4 is 2 plus 6. Here we have subtraction and addition. Here addition and subtractions are both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this 48 minus 2. Here 48 minus 2 is 46 plus 6. Here 46 plus 6 is 52 is the correct answer.